Welcome to Health Channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed.
Dear students of Standard 4, today we will try to solve some questions from Subject General Knowledge, Chapter 1, Famous People. You will have only 10 seconds for assuming the correct answer. Now ready for the educational journey. Best of luck. Question number 1. Who was Satyajit Ray? First option, filmmaker. Second option, scientist. Third option, engineer. Fourth option, pilot.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is filmmaker. Question number 2. Who wrote the novel, The English Teacher? First option, Tenzin Gyatso. Second option, R.K. Narayan. Third option, Mahatma Gandhi. Fourth option, APJ Abdul Kalam.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is R.K. Narayan. Question number 3. Who was the 14th Dalai Lama, the spiritual leader of Tibet? First option, Khedrub Gyatso. Second option, Trinley Gyatso. Third option, Thatan Gyatso. Fourth option, Tenzin Gyatso.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is Tenzin Gyatso. Question number 4. The meaning of the Mongolic word Dalai is dash. First option, mountain. Second option, sky. Third option, ocean. Fourth option, teacher.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is ocean. Question number 5. Sania Mirza is an ace Indian dash player. First option, football. Second option, tennis. Third option, hockey. Fourth option, cricket.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is tennis. Question number 6. Who is the brand ambassador of the Telangana state? First option, Sania Mirza. Second option, Sachin Tendulkar. Third option, A.R. Rahman. Fourth option, Mary Kom.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is Sania Mirza. Question number 7. Cristiano Ronaldo has won dash FIFA World Player of the Year awards. First option 1. Second option 2. Third option. 3. Fourth option. 4.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is 4. Question number 8. Who won the National Award for the Best Director 6 times, the most by any filmmaker? First option. Satyajit Ray. Second option. Anurag Kashyap. Third option. Mani Ratnam. Fourth option. Raj Kapoor.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is Satyajit Ray. Question number 9. How many novels had R.K. Narayan written? First option 24. Second option 34. Third option 44. Fourth option 54.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is 34. Question number 10. Cristiano Ronaldo plays football for which team? First option. Brazil national team. Second option. Portugal national team. Third option. Japan national team. Fourth option. Australia national team.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is Portugal national team. Question number 11. Who among these has won the Nobel Peace Prize? First option. Cristiano Ronaldo. Second option. Narayana Murthy. Third option. 14th Dalai Lama. Fourth option. Sania Mirza.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is 14th Dalai Lama. Question number 12. Who is the co-founder of Infosys? First option. Bill Gates. Second option. J.R.D. Tata. Third option. B. Ramalinga Raju. Fourth option. Narayana Murthy.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is Narayana Murthy. Question number 13. Which of these films is not directed by Satyajit Ray? First option. Bombay. Second option. Teen Kanya. Third option. Charulata. Fourth option. Apur Sansar.
Your time starts now.
Correct answer is Bombay. Question number 14. Who wrote the Malgudi Days? First option, Arundhati Roy. Second option, R.K. Narayan. Third option, Chetan Bhagat. Fourth option, Khushwant Singh.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is R.K. Narayan. Question number 15. In which year was Infosys founded? First option, 1951. Second option, 1961. Third option, 1971. Fourth option, 1981.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is 1981.
Thank you for watching Help Channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed.